The ultimate guide to the shocking secret they've kept hidden for years, revealed. Love letter angel message. Have you ever felt like there's something bigger than you, something beyond this physical world, that's just waiting to reveal itself? Maybe you've had a sense that there's a hidden truth, a secret, that everyone else seems to know but you've been left in the dark about. Well, today is your day. Today, we're going to reveal the shocking truth that has been kept hidden for years, a secret that holds the power to change your life forever. Before we dive into this, I want you to take a moment. Take a deep breath. Let go of any doubts or worries that may be on your mind. Because what I'm about to share with you is not just any ordinary advice. This is a message from the universe itself. A message that comes from a place far beyond our earthly understanding, yet so simple and powerful that it can transform everything for you. You see, there's a secret that's been kept hidden from humanity. Not because we don't deserve to know it, but because we weren't ready to hear it, until now. The secret is this: the key to everything you've been searching for, love, success, peace, fulfillment, lies within you. Let that sink in for a moment. The key is already inside you. And the angels, the divine beings who watch over us every day, have been trying to communicate this message to us for centuries. But we've been too distracted, too caught up in the chaos of our daily lives to truly listen. Cut to a person walking through a busy city street, head down, lost in thought. We're constantly bombarded by distractions. Social media, news, the endless pursuit of success. But we've forgotten something so simple, something so profound. And the angels have been quietly whispering, trying to wake us up. Their message is clear: stop looking outside for answers. Everything you need is already within. Shift to a serene image of a person meditating, the background calm and peaceful. That's right. The world's greatest secret is that everything we seek already exists in our hearts, in our souls, in the very essence of our being. The love you've been looking for? It's within you. The success you crave? It's within you. The peace and fulfillment you dream of? It's all within you. But here's the twist. We've been trained to believe that we need to go somewhere, do something, or be something in order to unlock these blessings. But the truth is, you are already the key. Your heart, your mind, your soul, they are all connected to the divine. You just have to listen, trust, and embrace the messages that come from within. Cut to a close-up of a person placing their hand on their heart, looking up towards the sky. The shocking truth: you are an angel in human form. The divine energy flows through you, just as it flows through the angels. You are a co-creator of your reality. Every thought you think, every word you speak, and every action you take is a reflection of the power you hold within. Scene shifts to a powerful image of someone standing tall, confident, with a serene smile on their face. Now, you might be wondering, how do I access this power? It's simple. The first step is to believe in yourself. Truly believe in your ability to create the life you desire. The second step is to trust. Trust that the universe, the angels, are guiding you. They are always with you, offering support and nudging you towards your highest good. And the third step? Let go. Let go of the fear, the doubts, and the limiting beliefs that have been holding you back. You don't need to fight. You don't need to struggle. You simply need to surrender to the flow of life. When you do this, you will begin to see miracles unfold in your life. Things you never thought possible will come into alignment with your dreams. Cut to a beautiful sunset, symbolizing a new beginning. That is the secret. The angels are sending you signs, whispers, and messages every day. They're guiding you back to your true self, back to your inner power. All you need to do is listen. The world has been keeping the secret hidden from you for far too long. But now, the veil has lifted. It's time to step into your greatness. It's time to awaken to the truth that has always been within you. Scene transitions to a powerful image of a person looking up to the sky, with a peaceful, enlightened expression. Remember, you are not alone. The angels are always with you, waiting for you to awaken. You are a divine being, worthy of every blessing that life has to offer. Embrace this truth and watch as your world transforms in ways you could never have imagined. Thank you for being here, for listening, for awakening to this incredible truth. Now, it's your turn. Share this message with others who need to hear it. Spread the light. Because when we all awaken to the truth within us, the world will be a better place. A bright, glowing light in the distance, symbolizing hope and transformation. Remember, the secret has always been with you. Now, go forth, and live it. Love letter. Like, share, and subscribe for more messages from the angels.